Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Virgin Voyages experts, and today I have the great pleasure of being on board the beautiful, brand new Resilient Lady. Now I'm currently in one of the gorgeous suites. This is one of the MEGA ROCKSTAR quarters. This particular one is the ADA option here on board. I'll take you through the space here in just a moment, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this suite or any room or suite with Virgin Voyages, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel. We know the spaces inside and out, we have an incredible relationship with Virgin, and we know we can help craft your cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now, by upgrading to the MEGA ROCKSTAR Suite, you're gonna get everything that Virgin has to offer. You'll have access to Richard's rooftop. That is a suite-only deck space. It's got a great bar, dining options up there, but it's really a place where you can escape and relax with high quality service. Now you'll have that ROCKSTAR agent that you can utilize before and during your cruise here. Of course, in addition to the Harr Travel Advisor, you're gonna find that you have complimentary parking or a complimentary transfer. You'll have a bar tab each and every single day around the ship. You'll have the bottomless bar in, and then of course, all those incredible options that Virgin offers regardless of the category. So you'll have the delicious upgraded food. Now keep in mind, you're gonna have the earliest access to making those reservations so you can have exactly what you want when you want it. You'll also have Wi-Fi and gratuities included. Now let's tour the space. Now as we head inside, you'll see that you do have a wider doorway. Now it's a manual door. I do wish it was an automatic door. You'll find that heading into the bathroom as well. So make sure you keep that in mind depending on the accessibility needs that you personally have. Now just behind here, you're gonna find your primary storage. As I open this up, now you do have a lower bar. I wish it was one of the pull downs. Just below, you're gonna find a full laptop size safe, and you also have drawers as well. Now as I head into the bathroom, you're gonna find those extra comfy ROCKSTAR robes. You'll also have a wider door and a flat threshold as you step in. Now here you're gonna find your countertop. You've got space for storage there. It does have a roll-in area. You've got a mirror up above. I wish it was angled a little bit down. And then tucked in the corner, you'll find the toilet. Now you have grab bars on either side. Once again, I do wish there was another grab bar here. And then turning around, you're gonna find the shower. Now you do have the lower pole here. You'll also have a bench style seat. It's a bit away from the controls, so just keep that in mind. You're gonna have a rainfall shower head up above, the highly upgraded bath amenities, and an adjustable shower wand. Now as we head further in, you can see that the space really does open up here. You've got a vanity where you can sit and get ready, a US plug and a European plug. Underneath, you're gonna find your hair dryer. You have a nice large sofa that will fold out as well. Just in front, you'll find a coffee table. You can take advantage of that delicious room service menu, and then you'll see a large flat panel TV. It's fully interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship, watch television, and your favorite movies on demand. Now tucked in the corner, you're gonna have a mini fridge underneath. You'll also find the full bar. Now as I mentioned, you're gonna have a bar tab that you can tap into each and every single day around the ship, but in the suite, you'll have a bottomless bar that they'll replenish as you like. Now, of course, Virgin's heritage is music. I really love that they have a record player in here. They also have some great speakers, USB plugs, and a European plug tucked just behind. Now here you'll find the bed. It's a nice large one. You've got upgraded pillows, mattress, and of course those linens. You'll find storage underneath that you can pull out. You have storage on either side with the nightstands. You also have US plugs and USBs on either side to charge your devices. They have an emergency pull here as needed. And then I did want to point out this tablet device. So you can utilize it to watch movies on demand that I mentioned. It'll control the television. It controls the lighting, the temperature, and you can even use it to control the curtains. Now let's head out and check out your terrace. Now as you head out onto the terrace, I just wanted to show you how this works. As you open the door, you'll have a pretty nice flat rollout area. Now they can remove furniture as you need. You've got a pretty good turning radius here. You've got a table and 2 chairs. It's that perfect place for a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening as you take advantage of the beautiful, ever-changing ocean views. Of course, you can also dine out here from that expanded room service menu. You've got 2 comfortable loungers, and then tucked in the corner, you've got those hammocks that Virgin is known for. Our guests love them, and you might want to take one home with you as well. Of course, you can purchase those. Tucked in the corner, you're gonna have your own shower. They've got the drains built in behind, and when you're ready to turn this into your home away from home or book any room or suite with Virgin Voyages, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an incredible relationship with Virgin, and we know we can help craft your cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.